think about nature? There is a lot that we can learn. Nature is amazing because even a very small seed can grow into a giant tree. Can we learn from nature to help us create new things? Let's take a closer look and see. Have you ever seen seeds like this in the woods? They're called burrs. And they can stick to your clothes when you are walking through the woods. They can even stick to the hair on your pets. They are able to do this because they have very small hooks that grab onto hair and clothing. They do this so they spread seeds out over a big area because they can be carried by people and animals. What thing do you think these burrs inspired? Velcro was inspired by burrs. It also uses small hooks to attach to loose materials, just like the burr seeds. This kind of design is called biomimicry. It is when people take something that they see in nature and they create a design inspired by what they see in nature. What about an octopus? Can you think of a biomimicry design we got from an octopus? Can you think of it now? If you guessed suction cup, you were correct. Let's take a look at one more example. This bird is called a kingfisher. They can fly very fast because of how their beak is very pointed. They fly so fast that they are able to grab fish out of the water without the fish even knowing. So what do you think we can learn from this fast little bird? The sharp point on the kingfisher's beak allows it to fly very fast, and it inspired the design for the fastest train in the world, the bullet train. It can go over 200 miles per hour. Now, let's think. Can we make a biomimicry design of our own?